Nag-akala ka na ba na ang isang bagay tulad ng mamahaling mobile phone, pinangarap na trabaho, o maraming like sa social media ang magpapasaya sa'yo? Ngunit nung nakamtan mo na, hindi nagtagal ang pakiramdam. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. Jesus reminded his friends that the real joy should come from something much deeper, knowing their names are written in heaven. It's about looking past all the surface stuff. True meaning isn't found in what's trendy right now or what other people think of us. It's about building strong connections with the people around us, having experiences that really matter, and finding a sense of purpose that speaks to your heart. It's about knowing your own worth based on what you truly believe in and how much you are loved, not on the world's constantly changing rules. So, why not take a little time to think about what really brings you joy? What things make you feel truly fulfilled? What values are most important to you? Manalangin po tayo. Mapagmahal na Ama, gabayan mo kami sa pagbibigay ng pansin sa tunay na mahalaga sa amin, sa kabila ng sinasabi ng mundo at social media trends. Naway matagpuan namin ang kaligayahang walang hanggan. Amen.